Hi guys, my name's Mitz from tipsforpc.com. Now I'm going to show you a couple of things about copying links. The first one I'm going to do is just say you go to a website like this. This is my website, Tips for PC. It's a computer tips website. Now just say you want to email this link to your friend. Okay, now up in the top here, this is the address bar. Now there's an address bar on Internet Explorer, Firefox, everyone, Google Chrome, whatever one you're using. Alright, so what happens is you can go up the top here and you can simply left click just on the outside of this link here, left click. Now hold the left click in and drag it to the left, and what you've got to do is try and make the whole address blue. Okay, so don't click any more after that. Now we want to go on top of the address where it's blue and right click and press copy. Okay, so now what we've done is we're carrying that address around with us, so we can do a couple of things. We can go and just say we want to email it to someone. Okay, so we go to, whoever. I've already opened up an email thing. Right, now what I'm going to do is go into the message section here and click. And now what I can do, I just want to paste that link in there. So I can either press on your keyboard, Control and V, right? Which will paste what I just copied. Now see how it's not quite made into a link yet? Sometimes you have to put a space after it, or maybe press enter to make it into a link. Okay? Now, the other way is to click in the space and right click. Okay, so just say you come to the page. Let's get rid of this part here. And you want to paste the link in there. So you're on the page, right, and you want to paste the link in. So what you want to do when this flashing cursor is there, you want to press the right button on your mouse and you'll see a menu come up. And all we want to do is look for the word paste and choose it. And it'll paste what we copied before. Now again, just press enter or space to make that into a link. Alright, so that's done. You can also just say go and open up a Microsoft Word document. I'll just press on Word, right? And you can do exactly the same thing. There's the cursor flashing, right click and press paste. And then press space after it or enter. Okay? There we go, it's made into a link. You can also paste it into a notepad. I don't know, whatever you want to do. You can paste it into Open Office or whatever. Yeah, lots of things. Right, so let's get rid of that. Oh, wait a minute. I'll just say no for a second. Okay, so I'm going to show you another way of finding a different address. Now, just say you're looking at a web page here, which this one's mine. Right, we know that, of course. And you see these links here and you're like, oh, so-and-so would love to see that. Now you can click on that and go to the page and then go up and copy the URL, that's what it's called up the top there. Or you can just right click on it, okay, and press copy link location. Now this is in Firefox, so now I'm going to go to Internet Explorer and just say you want this link here. You just want to right click on it and it says copy shortcut for Internet Explorer. So let's do it. We're going to copy this shortcut and let's go back to our email and I'll get rid of that one that we did before. Now remember the two ways to paste it in is Control and V is one of them, and there's the long link, Now just press space or enter after that and it makes it into a link. Now when you send it to your friend, they can click on it and they'll get taken straight to that web page. Another way is that if you had two windows open, so you had this and you had your email program open as well, this works for most of them. That spot just there, you can left click on it and start dragging it and it will make a link. Okay, so if you dragged this into an email, let's go to the email. That's it, I've got the email open here and I'm just going to let go. So what I did is I clicked on there and I held the left button in the whole time. And then I got to the email and I chose a spot, see where it's going to paste it, and then I let it go. Okay, and when I let it go, it pasted it. Right, now that's a bit hard because sometimes people drop it on the way, okay, and it doesn't happen. Alright, you can also okay, thanks for watching. I hope that helps you copy and paste a link. Alright, see you later. Okay guys, if you're watching this video on YouTube, you can click on the subscribe button up here and also click here and there's 238 other videos. Okay, so subscribe, right? And also usually when I do a video I've got a link to the website that'll give you more information about what the video is about. So basically this video here is about Windows 7 tips at the moment, and if you click on that link it'll take you to heaps more Windows 7 tips. Alright, thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe on this button and visit my website down below. Alright, thank you.